Stop watering your plants like this. Don't water from the top. Always put the water at the bottom and it takes whatever it needs. Top watering can actually damage your plants. It can wash away the roots, cause fungus, and keep the surface too wet. It can cause... No. Don't water your plants at the top. Always water from the bottom. Or if you put it in a cup and let it take what it needs. Never water your plants at the top. It causes a lot of damage to your plants. If you want to have nice looking green plants like this, bottom watering is the best thing for your plants. Water at the bottom. Let the plants take what it needs. Never. Watering from the bottom gives stronger roots and healthier plants and a lot of harvest. This is an example of bottom feeding where the roots are white and you can see the leaves of the peppers are in good shape. This is why I said bottom water and bottom feed and you get good healthy plants.